Manipur-gi matang de MP Angomcha Bimol Akoijam na Thamkhiba Wapham na Parliament Ninkhre. Manipur-gi erang asida Indian state na bhabok oina yengduna leire. British matamgi loilam wakaluna du haujiksu India lengagna North East chathari haina. Manipur-gi Lok Sabha gi MP Angomcha Bimol Akoijam na Center bu maral sikhare. Taranipan suba Lok Sabha gi haujik chathari ba ahanba session da President na House animak tapi ki ba mahaki warul adugi motion of thanks khanabada Ngarang mahaki warol thamnaduna Center na Manipur-gi issue bu thawoina lawdaba adubu MP Angomcha Bimol Akoijam na akan mumong yaning daba pongdoki. Bimol Akoijam na makha taraduna chahiya mahelaba erang asagi matang President na mahaki warol da pankhidaba loina India lengagna marol thoktaba bhabok amagum kumbai yengduna leithokli haiki. Amaromda Manipur-gi erang asida Central Force lising kaya thajilaglabasu hojik fawa miyoi lising humpu hena lanjina duna leidi. Miyoi lising humpu hena lanjina bahaibasi fagi nate haiki. Bimol Akoijam na hai Manipur civil war gi phiba mamada mugnariba nakal animaki miyoi singna khutta khulai paiduna makhoi gi khulngak na bani haiduna khut thoknari. Asuk waraba phiba mamada leiriba sada India lengak na masagi citizen ni hairiba Taramapan suba lebak asig state oikiba Manipur bu natheiduna hojik fawba hanna yengdaba leiba ngamli haina Center bu maral seke. Maduda BJP ki nisikan dubena yaningtaba phongdoktuna wangang bahuraki. Adubu Prime Minister Narendra Modi ne isu sigi matangda wangang lakpaga mahak wangang loigi haina phongdokladuna Bimol Akoijam na mahaki wafam house thamki.
It is sad to see a nationalist party like the BJP will feel comfortable with their silence on the tragedy of Manipur. Keep your hands on your heart and think about the 60,000 people who are linguisting in relief camps. And those mothers, those widows, think of them. And then you talk about nationalism.
Point is made. He made
Only
his point.
then we will understand what this tragedy means. Mr. Chairman, the hurt, the anger has thrown a nobody like me to be part of this temple of democracy. Pitting the BJP cabinet minister, think about the pain. If you hear an anxiety, anguish and pain in my voice, please go back and see those 60,000 people linguisting in the relief camp. Don't talk about partition remembrance till you bring that. I would keep quiet the moment the Prime Minister opened his mouth and a nationalist party says that Manipur is part of India and we care for the people of that state. Only then I will accept what is nationalism in our face. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.